Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to try out a set of Kaleidoscope nails that I saw on the Young Nails channel. I am really excited because I love that. I think they just look amazing. So pretend I have dehydrated, primed the nails, etc. We're now going to go in with our Super Bond. So this is it's basically a curable acid-free bonding agent. Now this cures with a sticky residue, and that residue that it leaves behind is going to provide a strong foundation for the actual nail enhancement. So it's really important that you don't forget your Super Bond. Now when you apply it, you want to make sure you use a very, very small amount on the nail plate. Work it in with your brush. You don't want the nail to look wet. It should really only look like very slightly damp and tacky, if you know what I mean. So you can see I'm applying a really small amount here. Okay, so pop those in the lamp to cure for 1 minute. Okay, then we're going to go in with, I decided to use I was going to go with a dark purple, but I thought no, we'll just go with the black. So this is Ankje, but I am going to add a little hint of purple. This is Nikita. This one is amazing. I absolutely love this one. She's gorgeous. So we're going to start. Oh yeah, okay. And then we're going to use the soft white gel. The bit that sticks in my lid doesn't stick properly. I'll have to stick some glue in it because it always ends up on the top of my pot when I open the lid up. I've got the cover gel in warm pink. We're going to add on a couple of nails. We're going to cover the nail bed just so that we've got a little bit of the nail showing. And then we're going to use the Cool One Step Gel in clear. This is going to help us apply our glitter in layers, and also we're going to use this to create our structure. So for the for two of the nails, we're going to put the warm pink, the cover gel in warm pink at the nail plate area, and we're going to blend it down. I'm only putting this here just so that our nail bed is, we're going to hide any flaws that are going to be in the nail bed using this basically. So I'm going to work this down the nail. You don't have to go all the way down, but you just want to just sort of cover that nail bed area. So I'm putting a thin coat on first, and then I'm just taking a small bead just to cover this area. You don't want to make it too bulky, because we are gonna, where the black is gonna go on the nail, we are gonna slightly overlap it to go onto this sort of the actual kind of nail plate area, only ever so slightly. So don't make it too bulky, and then pop it in the lamp to cure. The black we're going to put on, if you were going to do this as your main colour, I would suggest applying two thin coats. This black is very pigmented. I am only going to apply one coat because we're not really going to see if there are any sort of, what's the word? If I've got any, oh my god, I can't speak. If I've got any bits that kind of look sheer in some places, like you might notice it more on this nail because I've gone over the warm pink cover gel, but it's not going to matter because we're not going to see them, because we are going to apply so much glitter to these nails that you're not going to see it. So one coat will suffice, I think, is what I was trying to say. I got there in the end. The middle finger is going to be a full nail of colour, and then obviously the index finger, we're going to do the same as the ring finger here. Don't worry if it looks a little bit messy where the colour meets the cover warm pink. Don't worry about that, because again we're going to kind of overlap the glitter with that black, where the black meets the pink, so you're not really going to notice it. Okay, and then once you're relatively happy or completely happy, pop it in the lamp to cure for a full 60 seconds. I don't know what I've done. I went back to the pinky. Right, okay, pop those in the lamp. Then in random places, I am going to apply a little bit of the soft white gel, just in random directions. it's just almost, we're just gonna, I suppose you could pretend you're doing a bit of a marble. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. Just like splodge, splodge, splodge. And then you're gonna cure this in the lamp. Now I did put these in the lamp to cure, but for some reason, I don't know how I managed to do it, but I'm assuming that the sensor didn't pick up the fingers because they didn't cure, as you'll see in a minute. Sometimes my lamp does this though. I put the hands in, I don't know what it is. It's just probably just me being a plonker. I'll show you in a minute though, you see what I'll do. I'm going to show you all the glitters and Mylar. So I'm using Eskimo Kisses Micro Mylar. This is lovely. I love the Micro Mylars. They are amazing for gel polish nails as well. This one's called Decadence. Because they're so little, they're nice to, they're just easy to burnish into the nails. That one's pretty, I like that one. Then I've got some Unicorn Mylar. So these are, as you can tell the difference. These are bigger pieces. I wanted some bigger pieces on the nails. Then I'm using these Fairy Tale Stars. Pretend, just ignore these because actually they're not on the website anymore. But there are lots of other stars on the website, so do go and have a look. Also, you can use my code NATMUG10 and you will get 10% off your order. Yeah, then we're using the glitter pixels. I love these so much. Again, these are amazing with gel polish as well. So this one's called Electra. If you apply these, then we've got Phantom. If you applied these to a white and a black gel, they'd look completely different colours on each, like on the black and on the white. And then Atomic. So you can see this one's got like a pink to green. They're really lovely to use, these. Okay, so right, this is where they hadn't cured. And I was going in with a thin coat of Cool One Step Gel, and I was like, bugger, why is that wiping away? And yeah, I obviously hadn't put the hand in the lamp properly. I'm a bit of a plonker. So look, I was like, has that not cured? Oh yeah. So onto this nail now. I thought, do you know what, while we're here, you know, I'm just going to apply some of the Nikita. I actually put a bit too much on than I'd wanted, but it doesn't really matter. And then straight into that uncured gel. We've still got the Cool One Step Gel underneath with the Nikita as well, which I've not cured. So the whole nail is going to be uncured, and that's when I like to apply my glitter. You can cure and put it into tacky layer, but I find that if I do it this way, when I come to, I can then cure this, and then when I come to encapsulate, I know that none of those little bits of glitter or Mylars are going to go anywhere, because I hate it when that happens. You know, when you think, oh, that, you know, you get your glitter in the perfect place and then you encapsulate and it all moves. That's a bit annoying. So I've cured those into place. Now I'm going in with another thin coat of Cool One Step Gel in clear, and we're going to apply a second layer of glitters and Mylars. And then because I had stupidly not ended up with any white on this nail, I thought I'd just put a little bit down the bottom. You can do it on this second layer, it's not a problem. I just decided to put it on first. So I am then going in with the Mylar, and then I will add some micro Mylars, and I will add some glitter pixels as well. You can, I don't know, just I didn't really know what these, I didn't know these had a name, but they are, I think apparently they are Kaleidoscope nails. I suppose because when you look in a Kaleidoscope, they've got like crazy, I don't know, just so much going on, haven't they? Okay, pop that in the lamp. Then I'm going to show you me doing this one as well. So for the firstly, I'm going over with the Cool One Step Gel in clear. Then I'm going to tap on some glitters, and you can see I'm overlapping where the black meets the warm, the pink, what's it called? The Cover Warm Pink. The cover, yeah, that's right. Cover Gel Warm Pink, yeah. So yeah, so we're just gonna, don't worry, you don't have to keep it under the black area, you can overlap, and I kind of like that it overlaps. So once you're happy, pop that in the lamp. I can't see now, am I adding a little bit of purple here? My recording box is right over, yeah, this is, so yeah, so I decided to add a little bit of Nikita on this second layer. I think I cured that, and now I'm going in with my thin layer of Cool One Step Gel, and we're going to add another layer of all the Mylars and all the glitters. Again, just slightly overlap where the black meets the Cover Warm Pink as well. And then once you're happy, throw it in the lamp to cure for a full 60 seconds. This is what I like about gel. I say it all the time. I think I say it all the time, I don't know. But you can always make sure that your layers are nice and thin. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on these other two nails. It's very samey, so I'm not going to show you. And we are now here. Ta-da! And we need to now encapsulate and create our structure. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of the Cool One Step gel. And then I'm going to go in with a bigger bead to create my structure. My pot is getting a little bit empty. I have got another pot ready, but I couldn't pick up a very big bead. So I do go in and I do get another one, but I did get too much. So I did have a little bit of a faff around. I think I even took some of the gel off, but I also like to hold the nail upside down, just to make sure that the gel sort of flows to where I want it. Anyway, I've done that, the same thing to all the, look, you can see the blob of gel here where the nail's obviously been, I don't know what I've done. Thank heavens for hand files. So it's going to have a tacky layer. You're going to have to wipe the tacky layer off before you file. These are now all filed and yeah, I don't know if I buffed them actually. I can't remember, but they're filed and buffed maybe. I don't know. Sometimes I don't buff them. Anyway, right. We're going in now with our wet finish. This is like basically like a top coat in a jar, and it gives the nail a really high gloss finish. It has a slight purple colour as well, but this helps counteract any yellow tones. So like if you do a white French, that white will remain white and it won't yellow. So that's a really good plus about the wet finish. And it does leave a sticky layer once it has been cured, so we will have to go ahead and wipe that off. What I suggest you do though is if you cure it in the lamp for the full 60 seconds, if you're using a UV lamp it's 2 minutes, but just leave it to cool for a minute before you wipe off the tacky layer. I was trying to show you the tacky layer there. And then, yeah, so we're going to remove the tacky layer and I'm going to show you these nails in 2 different lights. So I turned off my LED light and I just wanted to show you because the nails just have so much dimension and it's, I don't know what the word is, but I really like these. I think they're really, really pretty. And I am going to show you them with my LED light on in a minute. I just love these. So you can get 10% off any Blingline products as well from the little nail shop using my code NATMUG10. All the information will be in the description box. But thank you for watching. Have an amazing weekend and I will see you beautiful lot on Monday with a new video. Love you all. Bye.